Welcome to the new study experience in Userlytics, designed to be cleaner, smarter, and easier to navigate. We've streamlined study navigation so you can move through your research workflow with fewer clicks and a more consistent experience, from building your study to analyzing and sharing results. Now, every study opens on a new home base, Study Info. Here you'll instantly see your study status, type, participant counts, dates, branding options, plus quick access to edit and share your study. This page is always available, whether your study is in a draft, running, or completed status. The left-hand menu has been simplified and adapts to your study status. Running studies show only what you need to schedule, collect responses, review sessions, and track metrics. Completed studies focus on sessions and metrics, so analysis is front and center. With this update, navigating your studies is more consistent, intuitive, and focused on the actions that matter most to your research. Log into your Userlytics account and explore the new study landing page and simplified navigation. Analytics tells you what, Userlytics tells you why.